Welcome to ESL English Bridge. Today we are diving into one of the fundamental aspects of English grammar, the first conditional. Now, the first conditional is a structure we use to talk about real possibilities in the future. It's all about cause and effect. When something happens, what will be the result? Let's break it down, shall we? First, we start with the if clause, which sets up the condition. We use the present simple tense here. For example, if it rains tomorrow. Next, we have the main clause where we express the result or consequence. Here we use will or going to plus the base form of the verb. So continuing our example, if it rains tomorrow, I will take an umbrella. Simple, right? We're talking about a real possibilities, which is rain in this case, and its likely consequence, which is taking an umbrella. Let's look at few more examples to solidify our understanding. If she studies hard, she will pass the exam. If they miss the bus, they are going to be late for school. If you eat too much cake, you will feel sick. And there you have it, the first conditional explained. It's a powerful structure that allows us to talk about future possibilities based on present conditions. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends.